When installing the Roman shade on your door window, this will be exactly the same as an outside window frame installation. When measuring, make sure that you have at least 3 inches of vertical space above and ½ inch on either side of your door window frame. When placing your order, make sure that you order the mechanism control to be on the opposite side as your lock and handle. Similarly to the inside installation, we need to install 2 brackets on the surface of the door or the wall. Now that the brackets are installed, the next step is to install the returns. The purpose of the returns is to hide the sides of the mechanism from view. In order to see where to place the returns, we must first hang up the Roman shade. First, we need to place the return against the mechanism and leave a little bit of space between them. Mark with a pencil where the return should go. Next, we must remove the mechanism and Roman shade and install the returns. Now that the returns are attached, we can put the Roman shade back, this time attaching the sides to the return at a 90-degree angle, perfectly hiding the mechanism. Don't forget to install the safety chain lock. And now, sit back and enjoy your beautiful Roman shades. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial.